$100,000.
Yeah, people, so from what you will see that video up on the internet with Popcaan, and the video say him spend $100,000 on a bottle of champagne, it seems. You know what I mean? Me just give you the information where they on the video. We never see no caption and nothing with it, right? But to my better judgment, me kind of say, nah, we. Me not say not have it for spend, and that me I say, but me I say, me more think like Africa him there. You see me I say, we know say Popcaan visit Africa often. And yeah, I was right. I just wait out and know if it's a Papi there Africa or him did there Africa. I want to know if him still did it. But he might post some video right now and he might cook jollof rice. You see me? He might cook goat jollof rice. So for the people that want to know what that is, that's like an African meal, you know, jollof rice, and them have different variations of it. Never had it myself, but I've heard about it a lot. I mean, here say it tastes good. You see what I say? I know say some people probably know how to make it. When you go down in the comment section and tell me. Now, people, I don't know which part of Africa I'm there. Last video I met about Popcaan in Africa, it seems like a lot of people get offended because we did I say him depend on we got Ethiopia. That's what I was saying. That's what he said in the video. People are correct me and I say I Ghana him there, Ghana him there. This time I don't know where him there, I'm not gonna say where him there. You see me? Big up the Ghanaians them every time. Big up every African. You see me? I say brothers and sisters, love one all together. You see me? But people, we are gonna get into this video of Popcaan cooking the goat jollof rice, and then at the end me I go show you a video with him and Miss Rona. So without any further ado, take a listen. Here goes.
Goat jollof rice. Father look for the blood here. So tomato here already.
Is it this one, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
It's getting hot, don't worry.
Okay. First of all,
yeah,
this is
fry.
This is fry.
Yeah.
So this is what we are going to do, and then we use half for jollof and half for the goat stew.
Okay. Oh my God, roll and it's funny.
This man.
Oh, it's your wife.
Yeah.
Tell her I said happy new year.
Kojandaji. What's it?
You should put iron now.
Yeah, we should put iron now.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Alright, stew now.
Yeah, stew now.
Alright.
The stew is, it's looking nice.
The stew look active. All this one.
Yeah.
Right, now we have to put this stew in our boat. Fuck. No, we have what? Yeah, man, that's how things here. We're going to cook the goat jollof today.
I think it's okay. Because this jollof and this is stew.
Put this one here.
Okay. Yeah. You see this one? This is the gravy.
Yeah.
The gravy, when you are steaming the meat.
Why do you use to make that gravy?
What?
Why do you use to make it?
It's
Black.
I use the meat to make the gravy.
Should I put all?
Yeah, I put all.
Tell them they say, I don't know about buckler and bean today, this jollof rice, you know. Yeah. And the cooking after done. Me cry. Cooking jollof and me cooking for fun. Me alongside Abel. Bell, watch this bell. Jollof rice. Oh, hey.
You put a little
Gravy.
Yeah.
Show gravy.
Yeah, show the gravy.
You show.
Okay. Let me shake it.
Shake. One half it.
Yeah.
Yes. Walk. You know where you go. Almost there. Me think loud or it's silent.
So just like him asking in the video, one think people did a good job. The people them will actually know if to make jollof rice. One think it look correct. You know him have guidance, right? Him chef did guided the process all the way. So even though see nothing for him mess up, me think say, you know, even though me not a jollof rice specialist or anything, me think he did a good job. It look good, you know what I mean? It look like something would have consume and more of you know want to think. And like me said, the people them were actually made jollof rice and know how to make jollof rice want to think he did a good job or not. When you go down in the comment section, tell where I go on. The video every day when I really want to see the African then comment on. You see what I say? The last video about Papi in Africa, there was a lot of participation from the African people them. So I hope to forward again, as well as my Caribbean counterparts them, right? There was a lot of Jamaicans and Guyanese, everybody, Trinidad, Belize, everybody. You see what I say? Big up on yourself, everybody. But people don't know say Papi always give Miss Rona a hard time, and this time now I have a video look like Miss Rona celebrate her birthday. The other day, you see me I say big her up on her birthday, and Popcaan, you know him did have to make a video. Well, him did a do him thing and somebody video it. So you know say I'm always go give Miss Rona a hard time. So people may have a video I want for show now what Papi and Miss Rona with Papi and Miss Rona, right? So take a look. Here goes.
Come on, get around. Squidel catch that camera live. Tomorrow Miss Rona birthday party at Taboo. Put faster burn than them on the guest list. All your friends.
Aye. Listen to me. Don't play around.
Taboo.
You want to see me not? You never see me fitting for my birthday.
Poorly we got.
You want to see me?
Yeah, people, so that brings us to the end of today's video. I really want to know what you think about this video. You know what I mean? Want to think about the jollof rice, about Miss Rona and Popcaan, and even the first part about Popcaan purchasing that champagne for $100,000 or nairas or pesos or whatever it is him spend. But I don't think it's 100,000 US like I said. You know what I mean? It's in Africa and we're not sure which part of Africa, so it could be anything. It could be rupees, whatever, francs, we don't know. You see what I say? But tell me if we don't agree or disagree, or if we don't even know some information, because he's in a public setting, so somebody might be, you know what I mean? Somebody probably know or not. But other than that, people, let me say, get another comment section. Big up everybody. Thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To everybody else, big up and thank you for being here and supporting, like, sharing and commenting. Everybody stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.